These snake eggs are kept inside a controlled breeding factory, where temperature and humidity are carefully managed to help the baby snakes develop safely.
Inside the eggs, movement begins as the young reptiles prepare for their first moment of life.
The hatchling uses a special egg tooth to break free. This is the most delicate moment in a snake's life.
Snakes often hatch at the same time, increasing survival chances.
This tongue flick helps the snake sense its surroundings.
In breeding facilities, observation is done with minimal disturbance.
Shedding allows the body to expand as it grows.
This tongue flick helps the snake sense its surroundings.
At this stage, rest is critical for strength and development.
Growth begins almost immediately after birth.
Shedding allows the body to expand as it grows.
From egg to movement, the journey is driven by instinct.
This controlled setting mimics nature while ensuring safety.
Awareness sharpens as the snake adapts. Only the shell remains, marking where life began.
This is the beginning of a long and silent journey.
At this stage, movement becomes more confident and controlled.
This behavior helps the snake understand its surroundings. Warmth is essential for digestion and energy. Rapid growth happens during the early months.
Shedding allows continuous growth without restriction.
Each new layer is stronger and more flexible. This is the beginning of a long and silent journey.
At this stage, movement becomes more confident and controlled. Rest is just as important as activity. Snakes sense vibrations rather than sound. These movements help sharpen reflexes. Stillness is a key survival strategy.
Controlled habitats reduce stress and injury.
Flexibility improves with regular movement.
Obstacle movement strengthens coordination. Vision becomes sharper with age.
Energy conservation is instinctive.
The juvenile stage marks growing independence.
The skin becomes tougher and more resilient.
Environmental interaction builds muscle control.
Precision movement reduces injury and energy loss.
Sensory awareness continues to sharpen.
Body mass increases steadily at this stage. The new skin appears smooth and strong.
Recovery follows every growth cycle.
Larger habitats support natural movement patterns.
Flexibility is preserved throughout adulthood.
After sourcing, the skins are carefully preserved for processing.
The outer layer is removed in one continuous motion. Enclosed systems protect texture and pattern. Immediate processing preserves quality. Cleaning removes surface residue.
Even movement ensures uniform treatment. Drying stabilizes the material.
Temperature and airflow are tightly regulated.
Only intact skins move forward. The material is now flexible and durable.
At this stage, the leather is ready for refinement.
Color is infused evenly into the surface. Drying locks in color and texture. The signature shine begins to appear.
The leather is now ready for luxury production.
The finished leather now enters the bag manufacturing floor. Every sheet is checked for consistency and strength. Precision begins with accurate measurement.
Design templates guide the cutting process.
Machines ensure clean and repeatable cuts. Matching patterns preserves visual harmony.
Edges are refined for smooth stitching.
Assembly begins with reinforced seams. Production flows in parallel.
Interior structure adds strength and comfort.
Fine stitching defines quality.
Sealing prevents fraying over time. Edges are sealed for a polished look.
Hardware adds both function and style.
The bag begins to take its final shape.
Every detail is carefully reviewed.
Natural patterns make each piece unique.
The surface is clean and enhanced.
Branding marks completion.
Consistency is verified before release. From raw material to refined luxury.
This factory operates as a coordinated system.
Every finished item passes a final review.
This concludes the full factory process.
Products are stored under controlled conditions.
Internal logistics keep the workflow moving. All stages are completed within this facility.